I caught these people here, this one and this one finally. Can I say hi to my YouTube family? Okay, okay, she. Oh, laddu. अरे क्या आदमी रे लड्डू है दिल ना अरे टेल हाँ लड्डू see it's a shining one for and one more thing I didn't tell you about her she specially come here to eat it some tender coconut chili is there Akshata okay these are the couples over here lipstick there is ice cream and rasmalai see this it's very nicely done now this one simply on the phone hello I can't na phone waste hello because now she's come in the video okay guys tag was left to cut let me cut this yes one leg okay let's go So hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, it's a new vlog and I'm already ready. So let's head to work. I'm going to Margam right now. And this is what I ordered. I'm wearing it today. So yes. And this is me. Let's go. So guys, I'm back from work. I just came a little early. Why? Because I have a lagna now. Lagna. A Hindu wedding, so that's the reason I'm come early. One sec. Just remove the keys. Okay, so basically I'll tell you, I just came home now from work, so I came a little early because I have a wedding, Hindu wedding right now. So it's 12:30, so it's going to be 1 right now soon. So I'll dress up and I'll head directly to the venue. It's in after Konkolim, that's at Fatarpa, the reception place. So yes, let's get ready and let's go there and I will show you guys also. Thank God there's some content for today like for you guys. Like every day I'm thinking like what content to show you guys, but like finally today I got a content for you guys. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm all ready. I'm ready. I'm leaving now. It's already 1 o'clock. I just took time to dress up. So yes, let's go now. I'm also ready. See you in the car directly on the way. So yes guys, ready. I'll take this one. It's hot also, so hot, yeah. See the weather out. It's literally burning. Anyone who stands out right now, he's definitely going to be burned. I'll open the gate and then we'll head to our destination. Now I have to go to Konkolim. From Konkolim, then ahead Fatarpa, that side. There's a temple there. Over there I have to go. So side of that only there's a hall over there. So yeah, let's reach there and then I'll show you guys. Let the cars cool first. I'll keep it as low as possible. Okay, the car is cooled down. Okay, there's music. Okay, the car is cooled down now. Poppy is not there, otherwise he normally sleeps near the car now. I have to look at him also. He's become old now, he also is like, he can't hear also properly. So yes, let's go. See Ray, how sunny it is out. Though I'm in the ACC, I'm sweating also one side. Chal guys, see you directly on the way. I'm also in a hurry. Once I reach exactly at the entrance over there, I will show you guys. Okay? See you guys. Okay, so guys, we have reached at Navalim. So these are the locations. Right you go Margam, left you go Karwar, Kankon, Konkolim. So yes, I've reached there. So just a quick update for you guys. So I'm heading towards Konkolim now. So see you there. Okay guys, see you later. Some music. Okay guys, We are in Kunkulim right now. Yes, we reached in the Kunkulim market. I just crossed the Kunkulim bus stand and now we're in the main market, Kunkulim. Another 15 minutes more to reach the destination. So yes, directly at the temple, guys. Okay, guys, we are here. This is the temple entrance, so beautifully done. So yes, somewhere this side we have to go. So we almost reached a minute, I think, to the place. So yes, once I reach over there also, let's continue the vlog. Yeah, guys, we are here. There are a lot of people. Now we have to search, huh? I'll have to search now where it is. Okay, so guys, I've reached over here, but there are 3 mandaps over here. Now it's tasked to search which one is the one where we have to go. These people are also there on the call. They are also lost. So yes, I'm heading first out. First I will check which one is the right one and then I will show you guys. Okay, see guys, I'm going to show you basically how it is. You can see there is one mandap there, like entrance. A second one is here. And the third one is here. Okay. So basically we are lost between these 3 and we have to find which one. So this is not the one. So let's check there. If it is that one. Or I have to go that side, that area also. Shata, something this side. Let's see. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the view of the temple over here. See this. It's very nicely done. It's beautiful also. So wait, I'm waiting for my 2 more players. They are lost. So I'll send them a location where I am exactly. So they will find it out and they'll come and they'll catch me where I am right now. I'm waiting for them to enter or else I would have entered. So guys, we are finally over here at the location. After I got these people here, this one and this one finally. After locating them so much, finally they are here. There is someone else's place, some else's, their mandap. And here also I had shown you, right, 3 mandaps are there. See, there also there is one. There also there is one and here. Yeah. So guys, we are here finally. So guys, I have taken these 2 bakras over here. Finally. Hey, by the way, I forgot to tell you, both are looking good, huh? Here are the people. Oh my god, a lot of people there. Okay, so guys, Sifu have met finally over here. And I met after years with my classmate, Rina. So they are doing some makeup before the entry. Okay, so Rina, say hi to my YouTube family. Okay, her debut is done in my vlog. So she's Rina from my college time friends. We studied together. And this is McClancy, that's her friend. So okay, so basically we are here to walk. We are going to walk. Thank you, wish for your time. There's a big line here. Let's go. Let's go now. And one more thing I didn't tell you about her. She's specially coming to eat with me. Let's go. Guys, Jopa it hai. Old in line. What reviews? We are entering the buffet. There's something here. Bhai, क्या है? Pan? So I will eat a pan also today, guys. Later. Where they're cooking some, I think, rumali roti or something. Oh my god, a lot of people here. Oh god. Where are these people? So guys, basically I'll show you what is in the menu, okay? I don't know, something is there here. This is the buffet. This is some veg crispy. That's pickle, that's rinya. And some tender coconut chili. Tender coconut chili is there. Some papad, aloo kafrel, dal, salad, rice, mirchi and papa. I think. Fried rice, bread, that's it. I'll take my plate also and I'll start. Okay guys, he's got two plates. Why two, yeah?
I did not forget.
Huh? Why two? Now simply you give it to her and later you take it back, no? Smart. See, because of video guys is given to her. Yeah.
I got for you.
So cute, right? Simply why do you chef, yeah? Okay guys, we are here for the dessert. So, this is some fruit salad. Some cherries over there. So here, this is pineapple I think and this is papaya. And here there is ice cream and rasmalai. I'll take this. So guys, this I'm going to take for the person who's already eaten it, Rinya. So it's over basically, so he's going to get more. So this is her third round, huh? She wants more. So basically it's for her. अबे ना रे कबर लिपोन दर्शी बाहर काट दो. So basically this is my hand guys, so I'm going to show you for whom is this basically. I'm a good carrying friend, right? Yeah,
Stupid prank.
you wanted no, so how's it? Third round, no? This is third round, guys. I'll show you the 2-1 before, right? That also she had cup change. This is the third round. Sit. Now she'll say sharing, purposely she's removed now. Eat, don't feel shy. Eat, don't feel shy, re. One for the fam, YouTube fam. See guys. What? She also look like a rasgulla only.
It's not rasgulla, it's rasmalai.
So guys, today I have n number of content. Content is just come directly in front of me. So we are doing what? Unboxing of?
In Renia's bag.
Okay, what's in Renia's bag?
In my bag.
Coach, huh? Coach, guys, keep in mind this.
In my
So based on this. Okay, begin fall.
Yeah.
Fall that दोन video that ना त्याला.
And my comb.
Comb.
Okay.
Take it wire
This is my earphone.
Okay, guys, check on this is iPhone cable. 2000 for the adapter only.
I got lipstick.
That also maybe 4-5,000.
I got chabi.
ती गाडी असते 5-10 लाख.
Paisa. Should I show paisa?
झालं इथले? Guys, पैसा was main. Done, you're showing more? Rinya?
Done. And my lipstick is lipstick.
Lipstick. Okay.
Done.
Done? So guys, hope you enjoy the video today. And do comment down what you like. What you like in the video. Just comment down. Today expensive people are with me. Very rich. Don't go on their looks. They are very rich. Yeah, I'll cut. So guys, this is the mandap, and then we have to go front, little bit front. Family is big, I think. So where is our person with the gift? Okay, these are the couples over here. Couple. Akshata. Where's that McClancy Ray? I can't see her on the way she's going. guys is still here only. She has to go over there. Yeah. Akshita is waiting. Where is this girl? Okay. So enjoy, okay? All the best. So guys, our player is gone there. See, it's a shining from far. अरे वाणी मदेला बाबा लड्डू आम काढला बाबा लड्डू अरे आदमी रे लड्डू दिल ना अरे टेल ना लड्डू going in the coach bag. So now they are going to get more 2 laddus, right? No, another 2 laddus. That's why they put that in the coach bag. We will show you that also while going.
No matter how expensive it is,
Yeah, see.
it's too old and
Now this one simply on the phone. Hello, I got na phone. Waste hello because now she's come in the video. Okay, so guys, we are done for the wedding and so we are leaving. Let's say bye to this content person who gave us a lot of content today. So see you guys. Bye. Bye. Do watch the video and do tell me also what you like in the video. Okay guys, so it's done with the wedding over here. So it's back for me to go to work. Here someone's wedding also going on. People are still eating food. Okay, so me right now, I'll be going home. I'll change my clothes, or maybe I might go directly for work. Yes, and this is a temple over here. Yes, such a beautiful temple here. So yes, that's my baby. Let's start it. It's very hot, I know that, inside the car. So bear with me. Oh, let's see. Yes, and I was right. It was very, very hot. So guys, so I'll see you later. I'm not even going to vlog now anything directly when I reach. And my battery is also low. It's just 15%. So yes, guys, see you later. So guys, still on the way. Check out the views, guys. So I left from there now on the way, heading back to Margaon at work. I'm already a little late. So yes, so once I'm at work, I know I won't be able to show you anything at work. So yes, anything interesting I will show you guys. That is for sure. Don't worry. See this guy. Anyway, they come in Nalin.